me have something for tell you now. Yes. So today, February 16, 2023, I am officially a grandmother. Yes. So, all the grandmother them, big up on yourself. Drop it in the comment section. Welcome me to the grandmotherhood or the grandmother club. I am a proud grandma. Yes, so my daughter have her son before there this morning, and I was there all the way. Come say me nah move until he come. So me stand up right there and me decide so me nah move until him forward. So him forward in other place. Boy big and bouncy already. So you know say grandmother go feed him on some cornmeal and some banana and plantain porridge. So him can tan good like in grandmother and